It does not matter how many seals, how many signatures, or who, even if the president, even if the signature on that paper is by the president, cannot therefore go and acquire title in collusion with government functionaries. And then, when asked to get out, you brandish and wave as if you're telling us something we don't know. Or you tell us, oh, this is my property, and I bought it from another person, so I am a bona fide purchaser for value without notice. How is it possible that you didn't know that this is a forest?
UNDP is aware of the existing challenges in the forestry sector, especially different interests and positions on forest resources management in Kenya, amongst others. Borrowing from our RED Plus work in other countries, we are committed to supporting a dialogue process that will find creative resolutions to some of the challenges faced by the sector.
We've revoked hundreds of titles. I know in Kibwezi we've revoked some titles. And we are currently looking at other forests. We are trying to recover the forest. People had titles to forests. Walikuwa wameenda na shamba ya forest. So we are working at that to see how we can recover these forests back. It doesn't mean that it's still not happening. Some forest areas in this country, people still hold titles to them. Some of them are occupied and they're not degazetted.